There is one missing chicken. Ah, there it is. Hey, mouse. What you doing there in that dish? Want me to go get a cat? Have you seen the new yellow and white cat that a neighbor has? Get up! You're already inside the dish, so I can only just hand the dish to the cat. You better not have eaten the eggs. Nope, egg is fine. Nobody ate the egg. Mousy mouse, get out of there. Get out of there, you little dum-dum. Hey, good girl, good girl, good girl. Finally got the memo. Finally, mice got the memo. Keep going, keep going. Don't play dead, you're not a chicken, and Opal is not here anyway. Mousy, mousy, mouse. Get out of there. Keep going, where I can't see you. You're just waiting for new food. I'm gonna take the egg outside. You better not be here when I get back. You are not just waiting for new food, are you? Okay, if the mouse comes back, I'm gonna bring Opal, okay? Hopefully, now that you've picnicked with Opal, you're not scared of her anymore. Okay, come in. Come in, you little dum-dum. Come in, come in.